Hello. In this part of FPS tutorials, I want focus to aiming with weapon. But before that, I added a few things and changed to the project. I add a wall to scene, and a crosshair in middle of camera view. Rifle aiming animation for character was having some direction issue. So I get it root transform rotation offset to -45. For start we need to add some changes to weapon hierarchy. First create an empty object in position of weapon rig. Name it weapon. And put weapon rig inside weapon. Change weapon rig name to rig. But now previous animations are not matched with new hierarchy. For that, we can simply change naming of keyframes to fix this. I create a UI document for aim reticle. Add a folder for image and I add my reticle image to project. Now working with UI toolkit to make image, as UI. Now add an panel setting asset for this UI. Create a UI toolkit component inside weapon main object. Name it reticle. Give it visual asset and panel setting. Set panel settings render mode to world space. Set its position in optic. Set documents rotation. And size of UI. Now create zoom action in input system actions. I choose mouse right button. Go to player script. Add instance and is aiming. Set instance value and zoom event. On aim function. Go to weapon sway script and add this variables. Start position value, start and late update functions. Now assign reticle to aim point property of weapon sway component. You can determine the distance of the weapon by the offset. But the animation moves the weapon too much. So we reduce the weight of the animation. Open Animator panel. Change base layer index to 1. And change its name to weapon pose. Make it weight 1. And check the IK pass box. Create weapon script. Write this code in weapon script. In player script. Add weapon variable. Add this part to on aim function. Add weapon component. Give weapon to player component. Now animations in aiming are good. You can change weight of animator layers in weapon component. But rotation of weapon sway is not defined for aiming. The reticle also moves with the optics, which is not the case in modern games. First of all, I define a cursor lock action in inputs, to lock cursor in game screen, or unlock for editing. I choose Alt key. In player script. Add free look and cursor lock at start. Input events. Change rotate camera to this. Unlock cursor function. Now cursor is locked to game screen. But if I hold Alt key, cursor seen on the screen and editing in play mode is more easy. Now for weapon rotation at aiming. Go to weapon sway script and add this changes. Max aim angle. Late update change. Apply sway change. Move previous rotation in normal sway. And add on aim sway. But the reticle still moves a lot. Go to weapon sway script. And add this parts. Update and reticle at center functions. Create an object in position of reticle and name it aim point. Assign aim point and reticle to weapon sway component. So reticle can be dynamic, but aim point must be static. Now reticle stay at center of view. But if you want a little realistic move, write this code in reticle at center function. You can change position of aim point to sight of weapon.